Surf's up, YouTube? Estevan here with the All-Mega Print Spot. We're coming to beautiful Long Beach, California. You know, it's kind of a hometown show for us of sorts here. And it's a bit of a pregame for our huge open house we're having this weekend. The fun kicks off Friday morning, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., then Saturday, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Let's go see what we got in the booth. You know, we always have such a great time at Graphics Pro Expo. These Long Beach trade shows are just something a little extra special. We had to do it super big this year. You guys ready to dive into it? All right, DTF keeps going and going and going. You know, these Long Beach trade shows, they're kind of right in our backyard, so we always try to come big. That's why this year brought not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 direct-to-film printing equipment, supplies, and necessities. Gosh, possibilities are endless. We're gonna take a look at everything we brought. Let's dive into it. Introducing the cutting-edge Mr. T Cyclone from Ecofreen. You know, previously, DTF powder applicators had typically been reserved only for roll printers. But what if you're doing individual sheets on your DTG printer? Or maybe using a desktop option like the A3 Prestige? Well, no longer. We can get consistent, perfect prints every time, and it's also very efficient with our melting powder. It has a very convenient refilling function. We can also enjoy a very low volume workspace thanks to the low decibel output on this machine. And it is also very easy to arrange our workspace thanks to the heavy duty rolling wheel casters. Let's keep going. Up next, I'd like to introduce you to the all-new Ecofreen Hot Film. This is for DTF, and DTF is nothing without the F film. This is going to be available in 14x16, A3, A3+, and roll options such as 13 and 24 inches wide. You know, a lot of hot peels do suffer from oily or overly glossy appearance. That's why most of these are cold peel. Well, not an issue here. Thanks to rounds of testing with the proper coating, we can enjoy lightning fast production, and it's Ecotech safety certified. That was fast. Let's see what's next. Moving along. Up next is the Seismo S20 DTF powder station. Great convenience for not only its user-friendly operation, but also its compact desktop size. Let's take a look at how this operates. We're no longer powdering and shaking ourselves. All we're gonna do is, depending on the size of our sheet, move these adjustable guides to position our transfer as high as possible to the powder holder up top. We're gonna cascade down a nice even layer of the powder to the print. And I'm not flicking this off, I'm not shaking anything. All we're gonna do is turn on the vibrational control and then adjust the knob to remove all the excess. And what's even better, all the powder that is shaken off is gonna be safe and secure in this loaded drawer for easy refilling up top. But we got more. Whoa, 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 okay, now what do we have here? Is this the latest offering in the A Prestige DTF printing line? That's right, we're proud to introduce the all-new Prestige. Of course, it comes complete with the whiting circulation. And what about warranty? This is gonna have 1-year coverage, not just on the printer itself, but on both print heads under the machine. That's right, this thing's running 2 dual Epson i3200 print heads that allow us for over 100 square feet of production per hour. You know, a machine of this size, I would say with the dual print head system in there, is typically much larger. So what that means, when you have a smaller footprint for a DTF printer, we're able to enjoy more advanced technology and much better equipment on here. That's why it's not a monster of a dual head machine. Wow, let's keep going, we got more to see. All right, hold on. We got some more over here. Can we talk about really quick the Seismo R24? This 24-inch roll, applicator, shaker, and dryer is compatible with any 24-inch direct-to-film roll printer. And thanks to the circulating powder portion of the machine, it's gonna need a lot less employee attention, which means more efficiency. It's really industrial, super high duty, able to keep with the fast pace of these machines. Let's go take a look at everything else we brought in the booth this year. How do you take full advantage of the print quality and output speed of the Epson F3070? You pair it with our favorite RIP software, Cathari NeoRip. We know it does DTG, we know it does DTF. You know the Epson F2100 is also one of the least hands-on maintenance on all the direct-to-garment printers on the market? That's why. The most efficient part about open-air pre-treat machines, like the Ecofreen Mr. T2 Pro, is I can have multiple garments loaded up for pre-treating, not doing one at a time anymore. What do Bella Canvas, Next Level, and Gildan Apparel all have in common? They're all available on our website, fully pre-treated, ready for anywhere, all over printing. Whether it's a 24-inch roll, a 13-inch roll, or an individual cut sheet, the STS Muto VJ62AD is as efficient as it is versatile. And we have it connected over here to this 13-inch powder applicator, shaker, and conveyor dryer system with a take-up reel to wind up all of our completed transfers. And what do we have right here? Convenient portable air filter to keep your workspace clean and free of any kind of vapor or steam. Oh hey, just getting my next print job set up on my Prestige A3 desktop DTF printer. You see how many jobs I got queued up ready to send? If you're still hover drying your DTF transfers with your heat press, you're moving half speed at best. What you want is a Phoenix curing oven. And to pair it with the AA Purifier Mini. Set it and forget it. The best part about our new line of California Air Tools air compressors has got to be the low decibel rating. By far, the quietest air compressor I've ever worked with. And it's compatible with our Proxima fully auto dual station heat press. Now, if we're talking about efficiency, maximizing our production, being as efficient as possible, look no further than the AAT Folder Pro. With the push of a button, we can take this fresh garment, hot off the press, and get this prepped for shipping. All we're gonna do is load this face down. Continuing on in the AA Proxima dual station shuttle heat press family, the semi-auto. With this convenient hand tool here, I'm in full control of my operation. You know, we're not sure what we like more about the AA Prisma Auto Clam. Is it the convenient auto release thanks to the included electromagnet, or is it the friendly slide-out drawer? If you've been looking for a convenient and compact conveyor dryer that does not need special electrical, look no further than the Vastex D1000. Hello? Yeah, I'm at Graphics Pro Long Beach right now. Yeah, no, we're all ready for the open house. All the DTF equipment, all the new supplies, everything. It's gonna be August 12th, August 13th, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Friday, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Saturday. Yes, we're gonna have raffles, prizes. Taco Man's gonna be there. Okay, all right, I'll see you at the open house. Yeah, this is kind of the pregame for the open house. If you guys are in the area, make sure you register now. It's gonna be a lot of fun. If you've been to any of our open houses before, you know we do it big. More equipment, more demos, more visits. Can't miss out. And that just about wraps up another awesome trade show. Make sure you head over to the website, aprintsupplyco.com. We've got an event calendar with our webinars, scheduled trainings, and you can see when we're coming to a city near you. If you haven't done so already, hit that red subscribe button, tap the post notification bell, drop some thumbs up. I'll see you at the open house.